What is on the mind of the narcissist when you're arguing with them? Hi everyone. A narcissist is a person that will do anything humanly possible to make you be like them or make you become what they want you to be. The narcissist is possessive, and when you get entangled with a narcissist, you become stuck in that relationship, and it becomes hard to get out of it because you do not have a good sense of narcissism. The narcissist knows that they're annoying because they always want to give a false projection about themselves. They always do things that make them stand out, which leads to many behaviours that we see the narcissist portray. The narcissist always wants to be seen as necessary, and one of the best ways they do this is by creating avenues that will get you, by bringing up unnecessary arguments with you. These arguments are geared towards getting something from you. Some things that are on the mind of the narcissist when you argue with them include 1. Getting you to take responsibility for their problems. As it is well known, the narcissist never takes responsibility for anything they do. They always believe that they are always right. This makes it impossible for them to accept a fault or take responsibility for their actions. They can only pretend and act as if they're remorseful so that people can feel that they are genuinely sorry and hence take the blames off their back. The narcissist brings up arguments and fights with you because they want to shift the blame on you. They do this by causing you to lose your cool, then people will see you as the wrong person, and for you to maintain the peace, you have to bend to their will. 2. Sense of entitlement. Another thing on the narcissist's mind while arguing with you is getting what they want. They believe that they're better than other people and therefore should be given preferential treatments. They get you involved in arguments with the plan of overwhelming you and get you off balance, and when you can no longer bear it, you give in to their plots and give them what they want. 3. They need you to be a source of narcissistic supply. The narcissist will do anything to get their narcissistic supply, and that includes getting you into an argument. They do this because they need you to come into their web. They deliberately gaslight you and make you doubt your reality. They take requests from you and deny making such requests. If you react, they get mad at you and begin the argument. During the process of the argument, they bring up the victim game, which they believe will bring you down to do what they want because you don't want to be seen as a villain. 4. They cannot live without a competitor. The narcissist survives by comparing themselves with other people. They always want someone they can compare their lives with and tell openly, and this can be done only with someone they are arguing with. The only way they see themselves as valuable is when they believe that they are better than someone or have something that another person doesn't have, so they will always bring arguments to such people to brag about what they have. It's challenging to understand what's really inside the mind of a narcissist. They always play mind games with you, and you might already be trapped quite deep the moment you realise their scheme. Setting up your boundaries is one of the ways you could fend off the narcissist from your life. Well, do you think this information is accurate and helpful? Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when new content is released. Thanks for watching.